from there. Okay, guys, good morning. Thursday morning. So this week, it hasn't really moved much. Gold hasn't really given us an opportunity to buy or sell. US 100 hasn't really done much since Monday. So hopefully today we get a decent trade. It is looking pretty good. They are looking like it's kind of consolidated for a big move today. So today could be a big move, and I will explain why. So gold short term a lot weaker than the US dollar. That's the first thing that we have to look at. First thing that we have to notice is that gold has gone from being the strongest to one of the weakest. Okay, medium term, gold is still stronger than the US dollar, but short term we are weaker. Long term, obviously gold is stronger than the US dollar because the US dollar is shit. The Great British pound still stronger than the US dollar. Euro still stronger. So long term moves to the upside on those two. Short term moves to the upside as well, apart from the Great British pound, but euro is a lot stronger. The Great British pound is stronger than the yen short term, stronger than the yen medium, and then probably long term as well. So yeah, moves to the upside on the Great British pound against the yen. Short term moves to the downside on gold. So probably today we are going to see some sells, and I'll show you the reason why that adds up with technical direction as well. So if we go to today, what do we have today? It is a pretty clean day. The only thing we have is the jobless claims and S&P Global Composite. I don't know why we don't have jobless claims note today. That's why. So we have S&P Global from the UK, and then we have just literally, where is jobless claims? Jobless claims is every Thursday. Why is it not here? Hold on. Are you telling me that there's 1 minute? Yeah. Okay, then must be no jobless claims today, which is weird. Bank holiday in the US. Oh, is it? Right. Okay, then that makes complete sense. Right. Yeah, I did get some email about that. So obviously that's why there's no US news. So I think that US 100 is going to close early as well. Gold's going to close early as well because of the bank holiday in the US. Yeah, that's why. That's why you've just rejogged my memory. There is a holiday in the US, and I did get an email about that. We could still see some little moves today, though, in gold, US 100 as well. So yesterday, what happened yesterday? So we can see here that we got a kind of a double top. Yesterday closed bearish. We've also closed below this high here, meaning that we've created a lower low. With fundamentals on gold being short-term bearish as well, we're going to be looking for a sell today. If we take a look at what is happening here, we actually broke below this high here, so we're making higher highs, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, right? And then now, potentially, only potentially, we're looking for a short down to here. So that's what I'm looking for today on gold. And again, the reasons are because yesterday closed bearish. Potentially today is going to continue with that volume. And also we've broken this high here. So we was making high highs and higher lows. This high here, we saw buy pressure. We've actually broken that. We've retested potential moves to the downside. US 100 now. If we go to the daily, we can see that we're kind of struggling here. So we have a bearish candle, and then this one closed as a pin. So we've got a lot of sell pressure at this level. Potentially today, we're going to see sells again for a triple top or a head and shoulders pattern. Obviously, the head isn't bigger than the shoulder, but we're still going to get a touch, potential move to the downside on this. So potential move to the downside today on US 100. I can't see this breaking after this close bearish. This one, we saw a lot of buy pressure here, and then it just moved down again. I can't really see this moving great whatsoever. So That's the reason why I'm looking for a move to the downside to potentially touch this level again, and then the higher time frame move to the upside. Let's take a look at US 30, which is the US 100's little brother. Okay, so we did see buyer pressure coming here. That was at 1900 though, so it was a little bit late. So we did actually see the move to the upside. So here we are still seeing moves to the upside. We're still seeing the longs move to the upside. Very nice move. Potentially, you're going to touch this level here. Previous sell pressure, move to the upside again. So US 30 is moving to the upside. US 100 is moving to the downside potentially. So looking for longs on US 30. Stop loss will be just below this low here. We did get a pin bar at 1900. We didn't really get a great trade yesterday. This was the open, and it just kind of did what it usually does from there. So nothing really crazy, fantastic here for a Wednesday. Tuesday wasn't great either. We didn't really get a trade on a Tuesday. Just kind of moved down to the downside to this level of buy pressure here. So there is a potential today for a move to the downside and then an impulse to the upside. Let's take a look at British pound against the yen. Okay, so we didn't see buy pressure here. Let's see what the daily closed as yesterday. I shouldn't trade these on Nova, right? Only currencies. No, you can trade them on Nova. You just have to place multiple trades. So yesterday, did close bullish. Today, we've got a pin bar forming. Short term, the Great British pound stronger than the yen. Medium term, the Great British pound stronger than the yen. So we're only looking for longs, right? Right now, it's a little bit hard because we're in this consolidation, right? We're basically in this zone. Once we break this, then we'll look for longs. So the only long that you want to be taking is a retest and then a move up. Where will your stop loss be? Just below this low here. So that's what you're looking for on the Great British pound against the yen, Bitcoin. Ah, shoot. We did get the move up, but we missed it. So it was super quick at like 1800. Didn't manage to catch it. The only way that you would have got it was a buy limit order. The move's gone. It's already happened. It literally tapped it in. But again, the only way that we would have got it is with a buy limit order. And obviously at 1700, I wasn't looking at Bitcoin then. I was looking at it around about here. But yeah, I literally missed it. Here's what it is. Let me know if you guys got that. But let's have a look at Euro USD. So Euro against the USD, I said that it has to break this downtrend, which it has done. Potentially now it's going to retouch this level here or a minor level. So potentially here. Don't be trading this yet, though. We only have just seen the move to the upside. It's broken this move to the downside, right? Broken this here. Minor exhaustion. See the move there. TP at this institutional level here. That's what you're looking for on Euro USD. Great pound against the USD. Again, all these are stronger. We have seen the move to the upside. We knew that we was going to see buy pressure at some kind of level. We do have a 4-hour level here, obviously. Boom. So I would say it's going to tap this level more. and then move up. So that's Great British Pound against the USD. That's all of them. If you guys want to go through any more, let me know. But yeah, should see a little bit of volume today in gold. I think it's going to happen during the London session more because the US session is basically not going to happen. So potentially during the London session, if we do get a decent sell-off, and then we'll place a trade there. The reason why is because obviously there is a US holiday today. Okay, guys. So if you've got none else that you want to go through, thank you for joining. Archie, Elijah Hambo, Imran, Joe, Mark, Milo, Raj, Rishi, Sahib, UK Drill News, and Umar's iPhone. I don't know who UK Drill News is. That's a good name. So yeah, man. Take care, guys. And I shall see you later. Bye-bye.